Welcome to Maths Made Easy. Linear equation in two variable, part 2. Topics to be covered today: pair of linear equation in two variable or pair of a straight line. We are going to see graphical method of solution of pair of linear equation or pair of straight line. We are going to see algebraic method to solve the pair of linear equation. There are three different methods to solve by algebraic method: substitution, elimination and Cramer's rule. Today we are going to limit our topic till elimination method. Cramer's rule we are going to see in next lecture. Now, pair of linear equation in two variable. The sentence itself explain itself. Pair, it's a pair. There is going to be two linear equation in two variables. Now, graphical method of solution of pair of linear equation. For now, let's read these points. A pair of linear equation which has no solution is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. We will be looking at what is the meaning of no solution in next few minutes. A pair of linear equation in two variable which has a solution is called consistent pair. If there is no solution, it is called inconsistent pair. If there is a solution, it is called consistent pair. Okay, a pair of linear equation which are equivalent has infinitely many distinct common solution. Such a pair is called dependent pair or a linear equation in two variable. Dependent pair of a linear equation in two variable. Basically what it means is if a linear equations are equivalent, meaning to say that if both of linear equation are same, there is going to be infinitely many distinct common solution. For example, if this is my graph and this is my straight line and there is another line passing exactly on top of it, then every point is my solution, every point. But how about the other two cases? Let's see this one which has a solution. Okay, this is my graph and this is another graph. This intersection point is called solution. If the two lines intersect, it has a solution and it is consistent pair. And if the lines are not meeting each other, if the line is going like this, let's say this is my equation, these are two straight lines and they are never meeting each other, they are only parallel. So in this case, this has no solution. Okay, we are going to see previous slide in here in much detail. Graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation for a pair of line. This is two line. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. See the conditions. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and which is not equal to c1 upon c2, in this case the pair has no solution and it is known as parallel line. As I told you here in the previous slide, the pair has no solution and the lines are parallel, they will never meet each other. If a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, in that case pair has infinite many solutions. For example, line a1 is to line a2 is going to give you 1. In that case, it is easily considered that the lines are passing on each other, on top of each other. So it has infinite many solution and it is coincident line. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. This is the case where there is only one solution. I have exactly one solution, and the line is known as intersecting line. You will see this in much detail when we solve some more questions. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find the solution graphically. There is two questions here. The question one is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematical quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, what it says, 10 students have participated themselves in a mathematical quiz, and the condition is the girls are 4 more than the boys. So we have two conditions here. First condition is 10 students, so meaning to say that girls plus boys is equal to 10, and the second one is girls are more than boys. So girls is equal to, if you want to make the boys equivalent to girl, then you have to put 4 in the boys. That is meaning that girl is equal to 4 plus boys. Okay, so let us assume something. Let the number of girls taking part in mathematical quiz be x and the boys be y. Okay, as per the first condition, x plus y is equal to 10 since 10 students are taking part. Now we are going to solve this by substituting one. If you remember yesterday's lecture, we are going to put the values of x to find the value of y. In this case, if I substitute the value of x as 0, the value of y is 10. If I substitute the value of y as 0, x equal to 10. This is how we get the values when we have to solve it by graphically. And as per the second condition, girls are 4 more in numbers as boys are. So girl is equal to y plus 4, that is x is equal to y plus 4. Again we are going to find the value of x and y by substituting the values of x or y. So let us put the value of x equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then what's the value of y? This 4 is coming here, y is equal to minus 4. If I substitute y as 0, then the value of x is equal to 4. If y is 0, the value of x is equal to 4. Now what we are going to do is plot both the lines on the same graph, and we are going to find the intersecting point of these two lines. I repeat, we are going to plot these points on a same graph, and we are going to connect the dot to find the intersection point between these two lines. Okay, so this is my graph. As you can see, I have already plotted them. Now I will put the numbers in here. X-axis, y-axis. So the value of x in here is 10. 10, 0, 0, 10. Next one, 0, minus 4. X is equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4. This is y-axis. It was supposed to be little bigger, and it's meeting here. If you will just extend the lines, you might find. So x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4. How about the other line, other point? 4, 0. On x it is 4 and y is equal to 0. So this is going to be 4, 0. Okay. Now since we have finished drawing our line, we have to find an intersection point between these two lines. So if you see this, there is a intersection point in here, exactly at this point. So this point is going to be our solution. I'm going to label it as x equal to 7 and y equal to 3. 7, 3. So 7 comma 3 is our solution set, meaning there are 7 girls and 3 boys, total 10 student, and 7 is more than 3 by 4. There is 7 girls which are 4 more than 3 boys. Second question, 5 pencil and 7 pen together cost 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. Let the cost of 1 pencil be X rupees and the cost of 1 pen be Y. Now, as per the condition, 5 pencil is X, so 5X plus 7 pen, 7Y is equal to 50. 5X, in place of pencil I will substitute X, in place of pen I will put Y. 5X plus 7Y is equal to 50. 5X plus 7Y is equal to 50. Again we will be substituting the value of X or Y to find the value of X or Y. If I substitute X equal to 3, let's say I will put X equal to 3. 5 3s are 15. 50 minus 15 is 35. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Anyways, you can substitute the value of X anything you want. You can substitute 0, you can substitute 1, 2, 3, whatever you like, but I am substituting X equal to 3 to simplify my solution, and this is the limitation of graphical representation which we are going to see in next slide. But let us solve this question first. If I will put X equal to 1, imagine what is going to happen. 5 1s are 5, 50 minus 5 is going to be 45, and then 45 divided by 7. Of course you can divide 45 by 7, but sometimes it is not easy to find that on the graph, and it's not so much accurate. So to overcome that, we have to find a number which is easily divisible, which can be easily seen on graph. So I am taking X equal to 3. 15, 50 minus 15 is 35, 35 divided by 7 is 5. Okay, next. If I substitute Y as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, no matter whatever I substitute, nothing is going to help me unless I substitute the value of Y as 10. Maybe okay, let me substitute the value of Y as 0. If I substitute Y is equal to 0, 50 divided by 5, so X equal to 10. I will be plotting these points on the graph. And the second condition is 7X, 5Y is 46. 7X plus 5Y equal to 46. Let's do the same thing again, and I got the value of X and Y as 2, 6.4, 3 and 5. Look at here. It was really difficult to find something which will give me the perfect number, easily divisible number. So I want to take 2, and my value of Y came to be 6.4. Okay, now let's plot them. 5X plus 7Y is equal to 50. You can see this. X equal to 10 and Y is equal to 0. So this is the point 10 comma 0. 3 comma 5. Where is 3 and 5? 3 and 5. 3 comma 5. Again in number second equation, 2 comma 6.4. X is 2. X is 2 and the value of Y is 6.4. If you look closely, I am reaching here. Here is the point 2 comma 6.4. Okay, 3 comma 5 is here only, and that is the intersection point also. If you look closely, two lines are intersecting at point 3, 5. So I can say that the cost of pencil is 3 rupees and the cost of pen is 5 rupees. You can verify the equation by substituting the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 in here and here. Okay, draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed by this line and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. I have already drawn it. You can see this x minus y. Okay, I'm going to write here x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 because I will transfer 1 to the other side. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Put the value of x equal to 0, you will get the value of y as 1, and if you put the value of y 0, x equal to minus 1, and by substituting those values you are going to plot two lines, 4 points and two different lines. Okay, now you need to find the intersection point, and I see that my line are intersecting here at 2, 3. Other coordinate is 4, 0 minus 1, 0. So this is the required triangle that I was supposed to shade. I hope this question is clear to you all and you can solve it. You just need to plot the points, connect the dot, find the intersection point and see triangle. Try to visualize the triangle formed by these lines with the x-axis. Finished.